What if you woke up tomorrow and noticed your bank account had grown without doing any additional work that day? No 9 to 5, no client meetings, no daily grind. Just real consistent income from systems you've already set up. Sounds far-fetched? In 2025, it's more realistic than ever thanks to technology, automation, and smart strategies. So the real question is, how do you tap into this new way of earning? 1. The power of passive income in 2025. Passive income isn't new, but in 2025, it's more accessible than ever. With AI, automation, and user-friendly tools, you can now build income streams that operate with minimal daily effort, even if you don't have a single technical skill. Unlike traditional jobs where time equals money, passive income allows you to do the work once or use tools to assist and continue earning over time. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about leveraging smart systems that reward consistency and planning. 2. Print on demand, a store without the work. First on the list, print on demand. Even if you're not a designer, platforms like Redbubble, Amazon Merch, and Teespring let you launch an online store with no upfront costs. AI tools can help create unique designs for you. Here's how it works. Upload your design, choose the product, set a price. The platform manages everything else: printing, shipping, and customer support. You earn a commission for each sale, and it keeps working even while you're offline. 3. Affiliate marketing. Get paid for recommending products. Affiliate marketing is thriving in 2025. You don't need to own a product or even run a blog. Just share links to products or services you believe in and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. Thanks to platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts, even newcomers can reach large audiences. It's a simple system that rewards consistency and smart placement, not followers or fame. 4. YouTube automation. Faceless, scalable, evergreen. Think YouTube requires being on camera? Not anymore. With YouTube automation, you can run faceless channels using AI tools or freelancers for voiceovers, editing, and script writing. Upload once, and your video can generate ad revenue and affiliate commissions for months or even years. It's not about going viral, it's about building evergreen content that keeps performing behind the scenes. 5. Digital products. Sell it once, earn repeatedly. Digital products are booming. Templates, planners, courses, ebooks, and more. Create once, sell endlessly. The best part? You don't need to start from scratch. AI tools can help write content, design assets, and create product mock-ups. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify make selling easy, even for beginners. And once set up, your product becomes a digital asset that continues to earn while you focus on other things. 6. Sleep-to-earn apps and wellness platforms. Here's something unusual. Apps that reward healthy sleep habits. Platforms like Sleepagachi and Sweatcoin offer points or crypto in exchange for consistent, healthy behaviors. It won't replace a job, but it's a fun way to build small passive rewards and a sign of how creative the income space is becoming in 2025. Even your data and daily habits now have value. 7. AI dropshipping. E-commerce with automation. Old-school dropshipping had a steep learning curve. But with tools like AutoDS and Zendrop, plus AI integration, you can now automate everything from finding products to handling orders. You don't hold inventory. You don't speak to customers. AI manages the back end. With smart setup, your store can continue running while you're sleeping or focused on other things. 8. Robo-advisors and smart investing. If investing sounds complicated, you're not alone. But robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront simplify it. You enter your goals, and the platform uses algorithms to manage a diversified portfolio for you. This isn't a get-rich-quick option, but it is one of the most reliable ways to grow long-term wealth passively without studying markets or picking stocks manually. Here's the truth. Making money while you sleep isn't magic, it's method. By using technology, automation, and digital platforms, more people are unlocking new levels of financial freedom. You don't need to be tech-savvy. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. What you need is a strategy and the discipline to follow through. So instead of working harder, start working smarter. Let your tools, ideas, and systems work for you even when you're offline. Results may vary, These methods require time, planning, and consistency. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.